Good morning, guys. We're going to take a look at page 123 together as we continue to talk about base words when we add a prefix or a suffix. If we take a look at the top of page 123, adding a prefix or suffix changes the meaning of the word. Read each sentence. Write a list word that has the prefix un or re to change the base word in bold. Number 1. Rebecca has her mind set on eating vegetables. Will you remind Rebecca to buy vegetables? Your word is remind. Number 2. Joey will write down the grocery list. After making the changes, Joey will rewrite the list. Number 3. Can you lock the car door when we go into the store? Will you unlock the door when we leave the store? So number 1, remind, mind again or to tell again. Number 2, rewrite, to write again. And number 3, unlock, not lock, the opposite of lock. Your second section tells us to read each sentence, write a list word that has the suffix ly or ful to change the base word in bold. Number 4. Lucy set the lemons down with care. Lucy was very careful when she set the melons down. Number 5. I will be quick when I go to the store. I shopped quickly and was done in 10 minutes. Number 6. The mother had a soft voice. She spoke softly to her son at the store. Number 4. Careful, full of care. Number 5. Quickly, in a quick way. And number 6. Softly, in a soft way. Now let's take a look at page 124. Gwen likes to help her mom shop for groceries. She made a graphic organizer about their shopping trip. Read each sentence and write the missing words. You are going to do page 124 on your own. Write your spelling words neatly that you use to fill in the blank for numbers 1 through 9. Make sure to reread your sentences to make sure that they make sense. Once you complete page 124, then go to your Google form for today. It is in your spelling section. You will complete the Google form, typing in the words that you used to complete each sentence on this page. Don't forget to study your spelling words. Your test is tomorrow. I hope you have a great day, guys.